Hello everyone, welcome to Vijetha IAS Academy Career Awareness Series. UPSC examination requires a lot of discipline. You have to know what is the requirement of UPSC. But UPSC never give the book list. What kind of books we have to study, it will never give. It broadly mentions that these are the subjects. Then what is the mechanism to know what kind of questions will come in the examination? The answer to this lies in our PYQs. Previous year questions are very crucial for both preliminary examination as well as mains examination. Suppose if you take polity, then what kind of questions UPSC is asking? How do you know? Whatever book we are referring, whether it is NCERT, whether it is Lakshmikant or any other book, UPSC did not prescribe it. Then on what basis we can say that these books are sufficient? Because if you take the previous year questions, most of the previous year questions can be solved from these books. That is why understanding PYQs are very crucial. At least try to see previous 10 years questions. And in fact, if you get the material, you should even go back to 20-30 years also. Because this is the only mechanism to know the mindset of UPSC, to know exactly what UPSC is expecting from the students. And it is also a very good practice for the students that how to solve the questions. Because on the spot, our mind thinks in a completely different manner. If you practice PYQs, your brain will be tuned to this kind of questioning. Like what is the nature of the questions? Then brain, if you look at PYQs 100 times, 200 times, 1000 times, then your brain will tune to that kind of format. Then once you get the format, then automatically when you are reading the book, you will connect the dots to these kind of questions. Both prelims as well as mains PYQs are very important. Get the books of PYQs, start looking. Even though you are not able to solve them, don't worry, but just go through the questions. Over a period of time, your brain captures it, then it will inculcate internally in subconscious mind. Then it becomes easy for you to crack this examination. All right, thank you.